So hello guys, today we will discuss about a program where we need to check anagram, right? Because that is very important program is anagram because I faced these questions in 2-3 interviews when I used to go for the interview, right? Before starting the program, this is brief about me, okay? And very important, this is my Facebook page. So you can like my Facebook page, and if you have any doubt, you comment on my Facebook page. You will get a reply within 24 hours. Okay, so you need to write a comment on my Facebook page. Apart from that, I have core Java playlist. Right here, you will get my all core Java playlist which I have already made and which I am making it. So every update you'll be getting here to this playlist, right? And the core Java whatever video I make, I do update my source code here. Core Java.blogspot.in. Okay, so we'll start with the program. Is anagram. We need to check whether a given to a string is anagram or not. This example is very important, and so what basically we need to check. See, let's say you have something called a string s1 is equal to, let's say you have abc, right? And then you have one more string called s2. Here you have b c a. So we need to check whether these both the strings are anagram or not. Anagram, which means my second string, all the character should present in my first string, right? When we call it something as an anagram, which means my second string should be a combination of my first string characters, right? Then only we can say that our second string is an anagram, right? So what should be our first string should equal to our second string characters, right? That is called anagram. Combination could be anything, right? Sequence could be anything, right? A can be first, A can be last, but your second string should be combinations of your first string character. Here you can see that I have written a string s1 is equal to abc. Here I am writing bca. So my second string bca, right? Basically this is the combinations of your first string character, because here I have a, yes, I have in a string to a. Here I have B, here I have B, here I have C, here I have C. Yes, sequence is different in both the string, but my second string, all the characters, is matching with my first string, all the characters. So I can say that both the strings are anagram, right? So how we'll write a program? How we'll convert this into a program? See, writing program is not a big thing, right? We need to understand first, like how we have two string and we have to check anagram, how we will write a program. See, there could be lot more approach, but I'll teach you a simple one first, and then we'll go ahead with some other approach in my next video. So here in this video I will teach you about the simple approach. So what you do is, uh, you can do one thing. As you know that since it is a string, right? So we need to compare the we have to compare the characters, then only we can make sure that, right? So first things, what is coming in our mind? First step one, what is coming in our mind? Step one is coming in our mind is we need to convert this string into character array, right? Step one, convert a string into character array. Why to convert? Because we need to compare, right? So s1 dot to char array, right? s1 dot, no wait, I cannot write inside the class. I will make one method here, better, public, uh, I will write, yeah, I will write void. I will not write type. I'll keep as a void, public void check IsAnagram, right? And to check the anagram, how many arguments are required? Two arguments. Because we have to supply it to a string a1 comma string a2, right? So I am making one method to check the anagram. Now what I will do? I will write a1 dot two character array. Okay, I will write a1 dot two character array, which means I am converting my first argument into character array, and I will store this into a variable called chars. Here, just place mouse here, click on create local variable, you will get character type. Now you have converted your string into character array, and you know reason for that, because we need to compare the character, right? We need to compare the character. So what we did, we converted this into a character array. Now we need to run a for loop on character array first, right? Which means we need to run a for loop on a string a1 character array, and we need to check the character into a string 2, right? We have to check whether that particular character is present into s2. We will say that okay, this particular character is matching, right? So what we have to do here, we have to run one for loop on this character array, right? Why character array? Because we have to compare character by character, then only we can make sure that whether our second string is a combination of first string characters. So here we will compare a with b, c, a. If this a matches, we will see okay, a is present here. Again this b will compare with b, c, a. If b matches, we will say yes, b is present here. Again we will compare with c. If c matches with b, c, a, yes, it is matching, then we will say it's an anagram. But there is one catch. Though it is matching, right? Though a is matching, b is matching, c is matching, but we cannot tell that like s2 is an anagram. We cannot tell that, right? Maybe, see, in this example what happens is, let's say this is matching. Assume that I have introduced one d, right? So d is extra character in s2. Now this s2 s1 is no more anagram because d is present. But if we will compare with the character of a, yes, a is present, b is present, c is present, which means as per our explanations we should tell okay, this is anagram, but actually this is not anagram, right? So when we start writing the logic, right, when we start writing the logic, at the end after comparison we have to take a call and we have to check. Like whatever character we have already checked in string, second string, I mean whatever character we are checking in the second string, is there any more character present, right? Is there any more character present apart from whatever we have compared? If it is present, then we will say it's not an anagram, because your second string should be a combination of first string. It should not be more and should not be less, right? Though you have d here, still abc combination is here, but d is more, so I cannot say the anagram, right? So at the end of day, I mean at the end of this programming, we have to take a call and we have to see whatever comparison we have done. Apart from our comparison, is there any character, is there any more character, or is there any more character, I mean yes, is there any more character present? If it is a present, it is not a anagram, right? Now what I will do, I will run a for each loop. For each loop I have already explained. Okay, what for each loop is done, it will run your, this for each loop will run a loop for every character of the character arrays, right? Basically this for each loop, what it will do, it will run for every character of the character array. It will run one by one. How it runs, what it does, see here I'm writing character ch, right? This is ch my variable. Ch is a variable. It's a character type variable. This is ch is nothing but it's just a variable name which has character type. So my ch each character type variable, and I am running against the character arrays. This is character array. What is this characters? Is this one, right? So we are running a for each loop against character arrays. Now, how this works? This, what it will do is, for every iteration, one character will get assigned to ch, right? For every iteration, one character will get assigned to this variable, right? Whenever we are running for each loop against any character array or against any other array, what it happens is we create one variable. This variable will take one value for every iteration. Let's say this character array has a b c. It has three character. So what will happen? First time ch will get value a, second time ch will get value b, third time ch will get value c, which means your character, your this variable ch will get one value in every iteration, right? It will get one value, pointer will increase. It will get second value, pointer will increase. It will get third value, your pointer will increase. First your pointer will be here, it will get a, pointer will increase to b, then it will get b, and then it will get c. So that's how for each loop will work. Now it is very important here. What we will do? Uh, what we'll do in a string 2 s2 dot index of, right? We will check index of. What is that index of? We will check index of that character, right? We will check index of that particular character, right? So if you look at here carefully, what I am doing there, I am converting my first string, that is a1, right? Here write a2. Okay, yeah. I am converting first one to a character array. Then I'm running a loop on that character array, which is nothing but your first string character array, and your character array element first character array element I am checking into string 2. This is very important point. I am checking into a string 2. I am checking that whether my first string character is present in second string. What is index of? Index of will check that particular character into a string 2, right? This index of will check particular character into a string 2, right? It will check. Now I will write here one conditions. As we know that if that as we know that if that particular character is found, okay, it Java will return some positive number, right? Java will return some positive number. Else if it is not found, right, it will return -1. So we have to make sure that we should not get -1. If it is not found, Java will give you -1, right? If index not found, here what happens is, if index not found, we will get
Avast virus database
-1,
has been
right?
updated.
But if that particular index is found, we will get positive number. So here I am checking that if index not equal to -1, what I'll do, I'll try to in a string 2 dot, I want to delete that. If it is present into a string second, delete that. Okay, but you know that a string is a immutable class. A string is a immutable class, which means we cannot change the string. A string is a immutable class. So delete method is not available for the string, right? To achieve that, what I will do is, to achieve that, I want to delete. See, the moment I am getting that index into a string second, I want to delete. Why I want to delete? I want to delete because at the end of this, for each iteration, I will check the length of the second string, right? And when my all character is matching into second string, and when I delete one by one, my second string length will be 0. So that I will say that both are anagram. I will repeat once again. I will run a for each loop on string s1. Okay, I will check every character of s1 into s2. If it is matching, which means index will be some positive number, index will be some positive number. If it is matching, I will delete one by one. So if everything is matching, and when I'm deleting one by one from the from this string a2, at the end my string length will be 0, and that's where I will say that both the string is a anagram. So guys, a string we don't have delete method, right? A string we don't have delete method, but yes, we have one jugaad. What we will do is, we know that, right, new we have something called a string builder, right? Why it is not coming? String builder. Inside that, I will supply my string second string. I will supply my strings second string, and here I will write second string. Okay, and here I will convert this to a string builder. So what I did now, I converted that string 2 into a string builder. Now I can delete, because a string builder has that facility to delete a string. Delete a string, we have that facility to delete the string, right? So what I'm doing, that I am converting my second string into a string builder, and this string builder class is not immutable. A string builder class is not immutable, which means you can delete the string and you can manipulate the string. But in case of a string class, you cannot manipulate the string, because a string is a immutable class. Okay. So what I'm doing, that I'm converting my string into a string builder. Why I'm converting? Because the moment I will convert my string into a string builder, I can play with my string. I can delete, I can modify. So check, see here, I'm running a for loop on my this character array, that's nothing but a1. Here you can see that, right? I'm converting a1. I am checking for the index of ch, right? If this ch is found, which means I will get some positive number. To show you what I will do, I will write syso index, so you guys will understand how it is coming, right? If it is not -1, then please delete that, right? If it is not -1, uh, delete that, or else, yeah, we'll just check for, delete that. And and again here, what I will check, once this for each loop is over, where is this for loop is ending? Control D, control D, control D. Okay, and then it is ending here, right? Just come outside, if put one query and check this length of the builder dot, it has one ready-made method length, right? Equal to 0. If it is 0, return true, else return false, right? So here I have to write now boolean, because I'm returning boolean type, right? I'm returning boolean type. So a method is returning boolean, so I have to write this boolean. So now I think it is clear for you guys how to write code for that. Control D. Let's minimize the space so it will be in one frame. Yeah, yeah, good. So you guys see that here, right? I think it's clear for you guys like how I am, I have two string. I'm converting the first string into character array. I'm converting second string into a string builder. Why I'm converting? I have given enough explanation for this because I want to play with the string. See here, I want to delete the string, and delete method is not available in the string, so I have to convert the string into a string builder because a string is an immutable class which we cannot delete. And we are running a for each loop. For each loop I have already explained you, it runs for every character in character array, right? This variable will get one character one time, and it will check for this particular, it will check for this. See here, I cannot write no more a2. I have to write this string builder dot index of, oh no, here I can write a string s2. Here I can write a string s2. In fact, even a string builder, we have one method index of, yes, we have one method index of ch. Okay, okay. The problem here is this. If you look at this string index of, it takes an argument string, right? It takes some argument string, and when I'm supplying character, it is giving me the error. Why it is giving me the error? Because this string builder has method index of, the string builder has method index of which takes an argument string. So no problem. What I will do, I'll just supply blank space for ch, right? Now this is no more character, it will become as a string, right? It should become a string because I'm just supplying, a blank space and then ch. So this is no more character now. This becomes a string, right? Because your string builder index of will take value as a string. Now I will test this. And you guys know that how to create the object, that I have given a lot of explanation for this in my for our video. So here what I'll do is I'll write obj equal to new obj, and I will call obj dot check anagram a1 a2. So here I will supply one string abc. Here I will supply bck, right? And I will store this return type into one variable is equal to turn data. This will give me the boolean because this is returning boolean. This method is returning boolean type, and then I will print, right? Just for understanding, I will write this. Okay, run this. Control F11. See, it is giving me true, right? It is giving me true. And you know what is this index? This index is nothing but you see every time. First time I'm getting 2 0 0, so I'm getting some positive number. So when it is not equal to 1, it will come inside, it will delete. Okay, it will delete. So now assume that this is anagram. Now what I will do, I'll add one more D. Control F11. See, it is coming false. Now it is not anagram because it has only ABC and has ABCD. So this second string is not a combination of only first string. It has extra character D. But the moment I will keep D here also, now I will get true. See here, I am getting true, right? I am getting true. Now, to explain you what I will do, I will put here one debug point, okay, and I will debug this code. You can see in the console what is your first string. It is ABC. What is your second string? It is a BC, right? Now, what is your character array? You have converted A, comma B, comma C. So this is got converted. Now just press F6. What is your second string? BC, right? Now you are running a for each loop. F6. See here, CH will be A. See, I told you, right? Your this variable will get one element one time. So A is getting. It will check for index of F6. What is your index? 2. So it is yes not is equal to 1. It will come inside the inside this yes. It will come inside this and it will delete from the second string. So it got deleted. It got deleted. If you want to check, it will go come here. Now see, you are getting only BC. Your string buffer, you are getting only BC, which means A got deleted. Now F6. And what is your CH? It is taking character B second time. It will check index of, what is the index of 0? Again it will go inside because it is not equal to -1. So got deleted. If you go to a string second time, see only C is remaining. Only C is remaining. Now again press F6. It will again go inside. Why? Because index is again 0. Again it will get deleted. See, now you go here. See, your all string character from string builder got deleted. All string character from string builder got deleted. Then it will come out of this loop. It will check for the length. Length is 0. Yes, it will come. See, it is coming inside because your length, it is 0. It will come inside. It will return true, right? And it will print this, right? So hope this example is clear for you guys, okay? And still, if you have any doubt, you can comment on my Facebook page. This is my Facebook page, so you will get clarification, okay? And thank you for watching this video. Please do practice of this code. This code is very important. You'll get asked in a lot of interview questions, so this is very important, okay? Thank you for watching once again. Like my video, subscribe my Facebook, subscribe my YouTube, uh, subscribe my Facebook page, okay?